Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is the perfect combination of functionality, luxury, and performance. External. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome will have a bold and distinctive design that makes it look luxurious and tough from the outside. The Aerodynamic Body Kit, which has aggressive front and rear bumper designs with integrated splitters and diffusers, streamlined side skirts, and the possibility to add a rear spoiler for increased stability and a sporty appearance, are some of the unique Brabus design elements that might be utilized. Brabus Monoblock Wheels are large alloy wheels that radiate luxury and energy with their unique Brabus design. Most likely, a variety of sizes and styles will be offered. Advanced LED lighting, headlights, and taillights that make use of the most recent advancements in LED technology, including identifiable daytime running lights (DRL) and adaptable illumination. Exclusive paint finishes, or range of upscale colors with metallic or matte finishes, as well as the option to change the color to the customer's preferred shade. Privacy windows, tinted glass to preserve the privacy of travelers. Interior. Optimal Use and Maximum Luxuriance. Interior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome greets you with fine materials that have been painstakingly crafted, premium materials, soft, durable Alcantara and Brabus Mastik leather are used to make the dashboard, door panels, and seats. Luxury kitchen. A compact kitchen equipped with high-end appliances including a microwave, convection oven, an induction cooktop, a perfectly sized refrigerator and freezer, and a sink with a modern faucet to ensure internet connectivity when traveling. High-speed Wi-Fi access is required. A large touchscreen controls a variety of entertainment and automotive functions, including a top-tier music system with superb sound quality, smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a top-tier navigation system. Performance and technology. Robust engine. It's possible that Brabus upgraded the Mercedes-Benz diesel engine to produce more torque and power.